Every now and then you find a product that is just so great in so many areas, you just need to keep it stocked in your home. This is what I found in this. Now, this is a French product. It's pronounced Nuxe, Huile, Prodigieuse. And I might be not saying that as beautiful as the words actually are, but Nuxe, Huile, Prodigieuse. Nuxe, Huile, Prodigieuse. It's a beautiful French product that gives you that glow up. This will make you stand out in every room that you're enter, and it is glorious. Now look at this. It comes in a spray container. It comes in different scents and glows. This is my favorite. This has been provided for me by Honest Review, and it gives you lots of great information on it. But it is a glow up for any skin tone. This is something you're going to want to have because it is face, body, and hair. And I love products that enhance my skin, not just my hair. But look at that. Look at that glow. Now, that glow on this arm that's very average, aged, and needs a little glow up, look at that. It just covers imperfections. It is like a moisturizing oil, and it just is beautiful. Let me show you without my watch on this arm by comparison. You can just tell the difference, but I want to finish it off because it feels so great. Now, I love it on my legs and my arms, but you can see here just that little bit of effortless glow. Now, if you have skin that's imperfect and you want to cover it up, or if you have perfect skin and you just want to give it that glow, this is a great product. But my favorite use, watch what it does to my hair. Now, a lot of times I have this crazy curly hair and I want to just pull it up, but watch what happens when I put it up sometimes. And, you know, I get these little pieces at the end that aren't as beautiful as when they are combined with the rest of my hair, but it's hot and you want to put it up, or for different reasons you want it up, but you have these little crazy pieces. Now this is where this product really shines. Not only does it give it a little glow, it calms it down. It's just a natural oil that just feels luxurious, and I just can feel my hair retaining that moisture in that oil and just calming down. Look at the difference that made, how beautiful that little updo becomes because of this great product. Now, let me show you what it does to my hair overall. What I love to do is put my hair in an updo, give it the little finish on the ends, and then go about my business for a bit. But what it actually does is this kind of conditions my hair, so when I pull it out later, it's like I've had it styled. And then I apply a little bit more to the rest of my hair, and it just calms those frizzes. It gives it such a glow, and it has a very awesome smell. It's like every one of their products has a different smell, but this one is like, it's amber, it's kind of vanilla, kind of musky, but not in a too earthy way. It's really very pleasant. They have a lot of different smells, and I have some of the other products that I've had for a couple years, and I love them. They sit on my counter with my jewelry, and I apply them daily like a gift to myself. But look at this, what it does to my hair. And let me show you, my favorite thing is what it does to my legs. Whether I'm wearing capris and I just need a little something around my ankles, or full legs going to the beach, this is a product that you're gonna wanna have.